something though.
Hey, hey, don't look. Just get the camera. Put it down and up. Say hi for the camera, Taylor. Hi, we're at Mystic Mountain, and everybody here is a little bit nervous because we're way up in the sky.
700 feet.
We have never done anything like this.
We're 700
And Mo, this
feet
is for you because I'm going to show this to you because this is something you would enjoy. You should have come with me. I told you to.
This is 700 feet above sea level. And
We're above all the trees.
Yeah.
And if we
And
fall,
it's really
we
good.
dead.
This is like 9:20 in the morning, so it's not too hot. Good time of day to do this. Park is not full yet, but it's hard to relax.
Yes, it is. If you want to look down, you can.
FYI, if you're coming, don't wear flip-flops.
Why are we stopping?
Okay, fly.
We're just gonna have to get used to him. That's a picture of the beach. Well, the ocean is coming right out there. Look, it's the coastline.
Way below us,
That's the coastline.
Just
all
see
the way
salt.
below.
Oh, and if you fall, you fall into
This is
slime.
actually a very nice attraction.
If I was supposed to fall, I would fall into slime.
Okay, we won't have conversations like those.
Sorry.
Okay. And this is right next door to Dunn's River Falls.